Common denominator. Welcome back. Was watching some talk shows and some radio shows and some stuff this morning, and it just hit me. It hit me. Something hit me. And I wanted to just bring this out. I just wanted to show what happens to people when they continue to hear things over and over. The title of this video, it's not what it seems. When you usually see those two words together, you think about something else, but I'm about to present this in a different way, something completely different than what you're thinking. I'm watching some like vlog talk podcast shows, and the women on the shows were just casually referring to themselves and other women as the B word. And I'm just sitting here thinking, and then there was a guy on the show who was referring to women as the B word, and everybody's cool with that. Everybody was just cool. Like, no one was flinching, no one was bothered. And it reminded me of this principle in propaganda, where if you tell a lie long enough, people will start to believe it. Something Hitler, actually, there was a guy who wrote a book called Propaganda, and Hitler read this book, and the rest is history. And I'm noticing some of the same things are happening today when it comes to American society. You look at hip hop. Look at black men and black women, and now because so many people listen to hip hop, rap music, that other races too are doing this. I've noticed this. It's rubbing off on them. They've learned, these people listen to hip hop just as much as black people, and more probably sometimes in some cases. But people refer to themselves as the B word, and they refer to women as the B word, and nobody even cares. It's like normal. It's like a normal thing. And it used to be an insult, but here, check this out. If a person goes up to a person in the street, let's just say it's two ghetto people. If they walk up to them and they call them the B word, right? Male or female. If they say it in anger, then it's a problem. Even if they say it casually, if they don't know that person, or if they say it, even if they do know that person, but they call them that, like they say, you're a B. It's offensive. But for some reason, in casual conversation, when I call you a B, there's no problem. There's no stressing about it. There's everybody's comfortable. I'm trying to understand how this happened. And then the same thing goes for hoes. Now, the second part of the title, the N word. We already know that black people will just call other black people the N word, and we know why. Because of history. Black people will call each other this term endearingly and so lovingly and jokingly, and everybody laugh and have a good time. And then let some other race who loves hip hop and who's used to this talk and this language in the music, and they see you using this language so freely and so lovingly with each other. Let another race, Asian, Hispanic, or maybe some Hispanics get away with it because they're so deep into hip hop, or maybe they're mixed with black or something. But let them try to use that word and see what happens. I don't get it. It's just this is just crazy. I mean, people are just disrespecting each other and calling each other insults, words that still double as insults, but nobody flinches. Nobody cares. It's just normal. I just want to point out where we are in society at this time. Okay. Just understand where we are. Just understand that these insults are now greetings. These strong racial terms are now greetings and terms used to refer to people in general. I just want to point that dysfunction out. It's just, what do you think about this? Well, doesn't this make you sad when you hear people calling each other this? And I got a little surprised. I didn't put this in the title, but I hear lower income, lower class white people referring to themselves as white trash and not even flinching and loving it. Could that be because other white people and other people of other races continuously refer to them as being white trash? Just think about that. Anyway, common denominator. I'm out. Peace.